gentlemen. First of all, I am so privileged and overwhelmed to be seated on this dais with such learned community. And what is of particular interest to me is that almost same time, 2 years back in 2008, this time of the year, we were the host of a similar such forum called the Internet Governance Forum. We recently did the mathematics. So, I'm almost now at a stage where I'm going to go back and sort of think repositioning the HICC as a facilitator for knowledge exchange. Normally in business parlance, we say we are a convention center and we are in business of selling space, but no more. I think this is not just a hotel and a banquet hall. I think this has become a facilitator of knowledge exchange, of bringing people together to enhance the human life. So in a very broader way, I think I'm proud to say that this one facility in India has sort of aligned itself in this particular vision. So this is about it, and it has done, as rightly said by Professor, that it's a matter of pride for Hyderabad to actually own a facility such as this. We have done our bit to go out to the world and to have successfully bring such conventions, knowledge-based conventions into India. I don't think there is in India a similar facility yet in India which can actually host conventions or congresses of such a scale that Hyderabad can host. So it's a matter of pride. I mean, the commercial bit aside of it, but I think it's a matter of pride for the state to be able to have such a facility which actually enhances the stature of this place on the world platform. So very happy to be here, and thank you, gentlemen, to make us the venue of this prestigious event. Thank you very much.